Well, hey YouTube. Today me and my brother are going to play Flood Escape. It's a really fun game and crap, something just happened. However, while I'm doing this, wait, let me go check something real quick. It should be going, okay, it's going. And, we're gonna go into Flood Escape. So, hope for the best for us. We're gonna go into Flood Escape. Flood Escape. This is gonna be cool. It's an actually really fun game. I suggest you guys play it. Austin, say hi. Hi guys. And we're gonna play Flood Escape.
We will do another Brick Bronze video later today. After the fail, you all know happened this morning.
Okay. Here we go, level 9. Join me.
So I'm gonna join him really quickly.
Yes. Cosmo stuff. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna spectate.
I'm gonna spectate. Okay.
Fredbear.
I'm spectating Roger. Wait, who's the best?
Fredbear. He's level 6. Yeah, everyone's level 6 that is alive.
The best one here is Mark. He's level 9.
Fredbear just died.
Mark's level 9.
Go, Marky.
Mark made it. Yay, good job, Mark.
Yeah, good job, Mark.
Might be the only one who's
Shout out to Marco525.
Marco525. I think it might be Mark0525. Who knows? Shout out to him. He did good.
Oh my.
Yeah, but they're all alive because they all made it in the safe zone.
They're steaming.
Yes.
His ice thing is they're steaming.
Yeah. Well, okay then. Okay, guys, we're doing this.
Oh, this is my favorite.
Oh, yeah, I love this map. This is a really easy map for me. Oh, one. It's easy. There we go. There we go.
Guys are almost there. No!
Oh no, did you die?
No.
Okay, here we go.
Guys. Died. I died. Because of a stupid man. Very stupid man. I haven't failed on that.
I made it.
I haven't failed on that map
it.
once ever in my life.
What are you guys doing? Are you stupid? They're just milking it. Look at the milking the titties. 7 out of 8 survived 8 difficulty. Whoa, this is a new map.
Oh, new map. Fudge.
Crap, I'm dead from it. Wait, no. There's a ladder.
That really sucks. Did you live?
No. Yeah, I'm gonna die. There's no doubt about it. Yeah, I died.
That sucks.
That was a new map.
I'm gonna watch Marco.
Marco's doing good.
Marco knows where to go.
I haven't played Flood Escape in a while. He's level 9, same level as me. You're level 4 now.
Oh, Marco, run!
Oh, wall jumping.
Ah!
Oh, Marco,
don't die! Marco, no! He's accepting it. He accepted it.
never stop.
Never stop going.
What's this map?
My favorite map.
But you just said the last map.
Shut up. You know I have problems. It looks like I have a tattoo. Okay. Guys! Oh god. Guys, run. No! It closed!
Alright.
It closed.
You dead? I'm the first one.
Why does it close so early now? I think it should like close like this instead of this thing.
Oh, that's how the game is. That's how the game does.
It's retarded, but
Yeah, boy.
that's retarded. They're all dead. This is my favorite map. Guys, I can't stop jumping.
This is risking it. If you fall, you're dead.
You risk your life to stay up. Guys, what the heck? How did I die? What the hell? This is retarded. Go! That was retarded. Someone died. I'm not gonna friend you, Deadpool. We're famous YouTubers. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding, Deadpool.
Deadpool
I'm
wants to
sorry,
friend me.
I don't friend random people.
Me either. No! I fell.
Get up. Go. You're dead.
Yeah. Fell on the last thing. That's actually a fairly easy map, though. I'm expecting Marco. Marco's good at this game.
I like Jake Lee. Wow.
Marcos lives. And Marco.
Favorite map?
Oh my god. This map's pretty fun, though. I gotta be honest.
Guys. Guys, I can't get up. Okay. Ooh, I'm out in front.
No, I'm in front on my screen. Woohoo!
Wow, that was retarded.
Oh, I can't make that. Crap.
Just gonna camp. Camping. I love camping, dude. I love camping cops and jailbreak. Don't you?
What? No.
Right.
Hate them.
The camper cops are the best cops ever.
No, yeah, because they camp and then they get everybody. But
Yeah, because they're better.
no, they just wait. I hate camper cops.
Why? Because you're jealous that you can't camp right?
Well, I can camp. I prefer not to. Crap. I might not make this. I'm gonna make it.
Guys!
Very. That was very, very.
That was intense.
Oh, yay!
Guys,
This is like my favorite map,
I die on this map.
this is
every
my
time.
favorite.
I die all the days.
But it's like my favorite map. I don't know why.
Let's go, boys. The heck? Alright, let's go, boys. They're all going down. Guys, run! The stuff is raining.
I made it. Marco died.
Yes, I love that map, guys. Guys!
These whispers.
They're milking it. Swim!
We're swimming in. We're swimming in Kool-Aid.
It's Kool-Aid. Oh god, this map
This
is really
map's
hard.
yeah, cause didn't that ghost wall come?
Yes, this is the ghost one. We're dead. Jump in the hole, Peyton. Keep the button. Keep the button.
Okay, I got it. Marco got it.
I don't know where to go. Guys.
Hey, you have to get on this little edge over here.
This ledge?
Yep, the little edge.
The one that I'm on? Guys.
I'm gonna do this. I made it.
Guys!
This one's kind of easy. This is actually a hard map.
Yeah, this is a hard map.
Oh, this dude has a dominus. Look at him, he has a dominus. I was kidding. No, it's a thing. It's just.
Ooh, this map, I hate this.
This one's hard.
Because I never know where to go. Just because I never know where to go. Get on the air bubbles. Get the air bubbles.
Out there, bubbles. This one can be hard. This one's really.
It's kind of hard because
This is the worst map for me. I absolutely hate it.
I don't know where to go on this map.
Oh, you're going the right way.
Just follow them.
Yeah, I know where to go. And go.
I survived. Did you make it?
I'm going to. Yes, I made it. Well, guys, I think we're gonna end the episode here.
It's insane. Alright, guys. Bye. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
Turn on notifications, and bye.